Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in QuickBooks Online. If you're running a business and need to send professional estimates to potential clients before finalizing a sale, this process will help you do exactly that in just a few clicks. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various transaction options. From this menu, select Estimate. This is QuickBooks' way of handling quotes and proposals for your customers. Now you'll need to specify who this quote is for. Click Add Customer and you'll see your existing customer list appear. Select the customer you want to send the quote to. If this is a new customer who isn't in your system yet, simply click plus Add New to create a fresh customer profile with their contact details. Next, you'll want to add the estimate date and expiration date if necessary. The estimate date shows when the quote was created, while the expiration date lets your customer know how long the pricing remains valid. This helps create urgency and protects you from having old quotes floating around indefinitely. Now it's time to add what you're actually quoting. Click the Product Service dropdown to select items from your existing list. These could be products you sell or services you offer. If what you need isn't listed yet, click plus Add New to add a new product or service to your inventory on the spot. For each item you add, enter the quantity and rate. The quantity is how many units or hours you're quoting, and the rate is your price per unit. This level of detail helps your customer understand exactly what they're paying for. Once you've added all your items, review the amounts carefully. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total for you, including any applicable taxes based on your settings and the customer's location. This automation saves you time and reduces calculation errors. At the top of the estimate, you'll see options to preview how your quote will look. You can switch between email view to see how it appears in an email or PDF view to see the downloadable version. This lets you ensure everything looks professional before sending. When you're ready to send, click Review and Send to give everything one final check. If everything looks correct, click Save and Send to email the quote directly to your customer from within QuickBooks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.